Guys, after taking backup of your iPhone, now we will see how to restore your iPhone from iCloud. To restore your iPhone, go to settings, tap on general settings, and at the bottom tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here choose erase all contents and settings. Tap on it and finally tap on continue button. It will erase all your data and a screen with option restore with iCloud will appear. Tap on restore from iCloud and your phone will successfully restored from your iPhone through iCloud. That's all.